Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Al-Aaraf. اتبعوا ما أنزل إليكم من ربكم ولا تتبعوا من دونه أولياء قليلا ما تذكرون. Translation: O mankind, follow that what has been revealed to you from your Rabb, and do not follow other than Allah any friend allies. Little is what you remember. In the previous ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala addressed to Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, and in today's ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has used ittabi'u, which is addressing the mankind, and the command is simple, that, O mankind, whatever Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has revealed to you, you should follow that, and you must not follow other than what Allah has revealed to you in the book. And whoever follows other than Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, they have left the straight path. Despite of this clear commandment, very few people listen to the clear commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If human being ponder on the guidance Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given, if human being ponder about their origin and their end, and if they ponder on the benefits of following the commandments of the Creator, and if humans ponder on the harms of rejecting the commandments of the Creator, they will never ever do any disobedience to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They will never ever follow the shayateen, the devils from the mankind or jinn kind. But what happens, that the human being forgets about the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, about the book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and this makes them liable and susceptible to follow the path of the shayateen. So if humans are staying connected to the book of Allah, to the commandment of Allah, there are more chances that they will not go to the wrong path. In the next ayah, we will study about the people and nations who did not follow this simple commandment of following the book and the revelation of Allah, and they followed the shayateen. So what happened, that despite of the revelations from Allah and the guidance given by the prophets, they were given painful punishment in this world. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran and help us not to repeat the mistakes of the previous nations. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi.